phrases you'll hear in the airport. Do you have any bags to check? Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Here's your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from gate 15. Your seat number is 8F. Flight 800 is now boarding. Your flight has been delayed. Your flight has been cancelled. This is the final call for flight 800. What is the purpose of your trip? Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.